Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're doing another special unboxing and I've been waiting quite a long time for this one. Today we're unboxing my new Canyon Grizl. Nice, we get the let's get started box. Quick start guide. So brand Canyon. And got a couple of other cool things that are included. I believe it's a torque wrench, there's assembly paste, and actually a few different types of Allen keys. Super cool. There's also a sticker in here, and I'm not too sure what this is. Oh, it's a nice dust bag. I believe it's to store most of these things, which is really cool. A couple of other different items. Got some reflectors. Different stickers. There's a booklet from SRAM. Nice. This Grizl, it's the Grizl 6 and it does come with the SRAM Apex Groupset with the eTap, which I'm excited for. Okay, let's put the box to the side and let's see what else comes in the big box. Let's see. Nice, we've got a saddle. It's I believe it's called Sella Italia with the carbon fiber rod. This is the SRAM box. I'm actually going to open it later. I haven't told you what color this bike is yet. You'll see it in just a second. Let's see, where do we start? The back wheel as well. I'm actually going to put this to the side here. Here. So if you haven't seen already, this bike is in the roasted olive color. I wasn't sure how this color is going to look in person, but because it looked a bit different in the photos, or it's hard to tell what the color is exactly from from the Canyon website, but I'm liking it so far. It's very nice. It is it's a bit darker than the way it looked on the website, but so usually I've seen, actually in a lot of the other unboxing videos, the back wheel did already come preset on the bike or pre-installed. It seems on this one, it doesn't. So the back wheel is here, so we're gonna assemble it. The tires do come with air though. But we'll need to assemble the back wheel as well as the front wheel. So these are the DT Swiss Gravel LN wheels. They are aluminum, as you can see here, Gravel LN. Figure out what's next. So we need to use some of this assembly loop, and you can slide in the seat post. So as you can see, the bottom part is carbon. It's the SP0057 post with the CL Italia. The supplied torque wrench does actually not fit, so I'll see if there's another supplied Allen key. Yes, so there is another Allen key supplied in this bag with the reflectors. Let's see what's inside. All the reflectors for the bike. There is some caps in there to block off some of the holes. There are already some installed here, for example, on the forks. But I guess they just sent over some spares as well. They do also send a few washers or gaskets. I think they're washers, and another Allen key. One of the most satisfying removals when we reveal the logo. The actual color, also remove this. So we'll take a look at the bike. So, I believe this is the bike fully unwrapped and mostly assembled, I think apart from the pedals. And of course we haven't set up the shifters, the SRAM Apex. I believe it does come with an app, so that probably deserves an entire video on its own. But this is it, assembled, the Canyon Grizl CF AXS. Comes with the SRAM, Apex, eTap drivetrain, which is amazing. So, take a look at the driving side here. So it's a 40-tooth front chainring, and I believe it's a 11-44 rear cassette. Really liking the color. I was not expecting the color to be this dark, but it looked really light on the website. But in this color, or in this light, it looks really nice. Over the upcoming days, I'll be kind of setting things up, putting it together, aligning the bars, making sure that they're straight, adjusting the seat to my exact height. I'm not actually going to be riding the bike because outside is actually snowing, so yeah, I'm not going to be riding it outside right now, but yeah, I'll try to set it up appropriately. Yeah, really happy overall. I was not expecting. I think the bike weighs 9.6 or 9.7 kilos. Super light, so it's a carbon fiber frame, carbon fiber fork. Like I mentioned, SRAM, Apex, drivetrain, also carbon fiber seat post, CLA Italia seat, and everything else DT Swiss gravel Allen wheels, and everything else is Canyon. Great. Yeah, so my overall first impressions of the bike are that it's really great. I was really not sure about the color, but I am really liking the color so far. Yeah, and it looks great, so I can't wait to fully set up and configure everything and get it ready for the road. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little short unboxing video, and just initially setting up the bike. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See you next time. Peace.